Asian women look so young. 6 habits you've never heard of. Welcome to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Have you ever wondered why many Asian women look decades younger than they actually are? From flawless skin to youthful energy, even in their 40s or 50s, they seem to have found the fountain of youth. But it's not just genetics. It's actually a mix of uncommon daily habits rooted in ancient wisdom, modern science, and cultural secrets passed down through generations. So today, I'm revealing 6 useful habits you've probably never heard of. And yes, you can start doing them too. Let's dive into the video. Chapter 1. They treat skincare like ritual, not routine. In many Asian cultures, skincare isn't a quick 5-minute rush, it's a moment of peace. Especially in countries like South Korea and Japan, the skincare process is done with love and intention. Think 10-step routines with double cleansing, essence layering, gentle patting, and never skipping sunscreen, even indoors. They also believe in touching the skin softly, never dragging or pulling, which reduces wrinkles in the long run. Chapter 2. They focus on inner calm and less stress. In places like Japan and China, the philosophy of inner peace equals outer beauty is deeply rooted. Practices like Tai Chi, tea ceremonies, or even daily meditation help reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that causes aging. Lower stress equals fewer fine lines, better sleep, and glowing skin. Chapter 3. They eat for skin, not just for taste. Ever notice how Asian diets are full of antioxidant-rich, skin-loving foods? They eat things like fermented foods, like kimchi and miso, for gut and skin health. Next, seaweed for collagen and minerals. Next, green tea for anti-aging polyphenols. Next, minimal dairy and sugar. Their meals are light, balanced, and often served in small bowls, which prevents overeating and keeps weight in check, too. Chapter 4. They avoid sun like it's a villain. Here's a big one. Many Asian women are obsessed with sun protection, and that's a good thing. They wear sunscreen every single day, even when it's cloudy. Some carry sun umbrellas or wear visors and gloves when outside. Why? Because UV rays are the #1 cause of premature aging, spots, and wrinkles. Chapter 5. Gentle beauty over aggressive trends. Instead of harsh scrubs or extreme treatments, Asian beauty routines focus on nourishing and protecting the skin. Think rice water rinses, facial massages, gua sha tools, and gentle exfoliants. They believe in preserving beauty, not constantly fixing it. Chapter 6. Aging is not feared. It's graceful. In many Asian cultures, aging is seen as something natural and graceful, not something to fight or fear. This mindset reduces pressure, supports mental health, and encourages self-care over self-criticism. When you embrace aging with positivity, your energy shows it, and you instantly look more youthful. So now you know, Asian women aren't magically youthful. They just have powerful habits that protect, nourish, and honor their skin and spirit every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips. Which of these tips will you start doing? And let me know in the comments or what you want to see next.